onto something to just hold it for you. If you're not sure which side to put it in, push down and see how it ratchets. It comes in from the back side. You slide it through the hole and then back out. Hook it onto your two ends, keep them straight, pull this as tight as you can, and then ratchet your strap until you're tight. Okay, and then manage your slack, put it somewhere. To open it up, open it. Now you have to hold this one up. No, you have to hold this one up. Don't hold the strap. Hold this and hold this, and hold them straight open. Then it'll come loose.
Is that it?
That's it.
Okay.